Alright guys, so hello and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to actually make this video and reveal to you guys exactly how I earn affiliate commissions. Yes, I promote products on WordPlus and I sell products on WordPlus. So today I'm going to show you guys step by step the exact thing I do to earn commissions while I promote products online, where I promote products on them. Let me say them on WordPlus. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Thank you for joining. I'm going to promise you're going to enjoy, you're going to get lots of value. I'm going to show you everything, every single thing I do to get results online, to make the money online, nothing hidden. So all right, so let me go into that. I don't want to waste much of your time. So to start promoting products, to promote or to start earning affiliate commissions, you have to look for a product to promote. Yes, you have to look for a product to promote. And one place you can actually go to is Munch Eye. Yes, if you've been on my list, you've been on my YouTube subscriber, you've been following me, of course, you should have, I've been mentioning this many times over and over and over again that you can go to muncheye.com and then you get good products that you can promote on that from that platform. So Muncheye is a platform where vendors actually go to list out their products, their upcoming launches, their upcoming products that is actually launching maybe in few days times or in few months time. So they head over to Muncheye and then they list their products right here. For instance, I have a product right here on December 24th. It's actually a product I postponed, which should have been launched months back, but I had to postpone it for some reasons. December 24th, you can see John Anavi, so you can see Mega Pack. So I actually postponed it till December 24th, which I'm pretty sure I can't do that scene because that day I'm going to be choked up. So I might bring it backwards or maybe just push it to next year. So back to what I'm actually saying. Sorry for diverting. So before you can start earning affiliate commission, as I said, you need to look for a good product to promote. And I think in my last two videos, I said if you want to promote a product, what you should do is you look for a product where they pay you 100% commission on the front end. Like this is a front end product, you earn 100% commission. But that's too small. You can look for a $10 product or $17 product. So like this is still okay. You earn $10 on the front end, but make sure the product itself is actually quality. Is a quality product that's going to that's going to get you better conversion. So as for me, actually I had a product I was going to promote. Actually, the reason I was going to promote, I promoted this product from Alessandro Zamboni, Jigsaw Empire, and the reason I actually see it's launched on the 23rd. The reason why I promoted this was because he actually supported me when I launched my product PLR Massive Bundle. Yes, he supported me and it generated a lot of sales for me. Yeah, even though he took more of the profits, which was the front end, he packed a lot of the $9. Why I had a little on the upsells, 50% commission on the upsells. So he promoted my products, got the highest number of sales, I think about 30 or so sales. So I just had to support him on his own launch as well. Yes, and again, another funny thing is the second guy that also supported me, which was Dawood Islam. I don't know if I can find this. Dawood Islam is here. He also launched his product on the 23rd. You can see Dawood Islam, but I just couldn't support him at that moment. So maybe probably in the next his subsequent launch, I'll be supporting him. So I had to just go with Alessandro Zamboni because he really supported me hard on my own product launch. So that's why I had to go and then support him during his own launch. But assuming none of these guys supported me, I'll just go ahead and look for a very good offer that's going to convert for me, and then I'm going to promote that offer. So now I went over and then I picked up to promote Alessandro Zamboni's Jigsaw Empire. So all I had to do was to go to his JV page, and then I got information about his product going live. So this is his JV page, Jigsaw Empire, where you're going to discover the secret way to generate easy, medium, and difficult jigsaws for all the ages. Actually, what it's about is just is a launch that is all about printable jigsaws, a brand new trend we discovered on Etsy that is ready to explode very soon. So there's going to be 50% commission on the front end, 50 on the upsell 1, 50 on upsell 2, and then 50% again on upsell 3. That means if I send traffic to his product for people to buy this Jigsaw Empire, when someone buys the first product, I will earn $8. If someone buys the second product, I'm going to earn about let's say $13, $12, and then if someone buys again like that on and on, I'm going to earn 50% commission on the funnel, just like something as you can see right there. You can see someone purchased the front end and then the OTO1, OTO2, OTO3. So you can see that's how affiliate marketing is very, very, very sweet. So after I got information about his products, I now went ahead and then checked out his email swipes, his messages. He actually had some, so I checked it out, and then I tweaked my own. I was able to actually cut out of it and then compose my own email messages. So after I composed my messages, and then I went over to my own marketing platform, which is GetResponse. I use GetResponse for my email marketing. So I went over and then I scheduled my emails. Yes, I scheduled my emails. You can see this was the first 2 emails I sent before the product went live on the 23rd. So you can see there was no click at all. So there was no link in the messages. Actually, what I said was, I was trying to inform my subscribers that there is a product launching tomorrow, so make sure you get it, and I have amazing bonuses for you when you pick it up. So that was the messages I sent, and you can see there was a little open rate, which was I think it's still okay, you can see, but there was no, you can see there's no link inside, so it was having 0% click rates. And one thing again you can see is the list is very tiny, just 308 subscribers I'm actually sending to. So I composed 2 messages, and then you can see this was just to inform my subscribers that the product was launching. And then here you can see when the product was going live. Okay, this was when the first day on 23rd, when the product went live on 4 p.m. and then 10:27 p.m. was when I sent it. And if you check out the sales, the stats, you will see it that this was the first. I can actually say this was within these 16 hours. Yes, was when the first email went out and I got generated these sales, and then this should be the second emails. This 12 hours was when the second emails went out, and I still have how many emails? I still have about, you can see I have on the 24th 2 emails to go, and then on the 25th 2 emails to go, and then on the 26th 2 emails to go again. So I've scheduled my emails to go out to my subscribers. So let me show you just 2 samples of my emails. So a day before my bonuses will expire, I actually said this is how my email message looks like. I said tomorrow my super bonus for Jigsaw Empire will disappear, and this blah blah blah, so you need to pick it up and all of that. So I was making an urgency that they should pick it up, that by tomorrow I'll be closing down my bonuses. And then my last email, the last scheduled email, this is exactly how it looks like. I said last chance to pick up my bonuses and Jigsaw Empire. So you can see this is exactly how I compose my email. Access to my bonuses blah 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 will be gone. It will expire tonight, so don't miss the chance to get it at 0 cost to you. I know they've not seen all these messages. They're going to see it later, and actually going to increase my my commissions, which I'm going to earn. You can see I still have about 6 messages to go. So that's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I've done. I've scheduled my emails to go out, to my subscribers before the product actually launched. Which makes me to make money even while I'm not even online. And the beauty of this is I have a very tiny list. My list is not up to 500. You can see, let me show you. This is just 456. You can see all my contacts, 456 in my all my email list, everything total, all my contacts is 456. Now this is my international audience, online monthly income 257, and then my last product that I launched, I got 52, about 60. You can see some people have actually unsubscribed from my emails. They've unsubscribed after I promoted this Jigsaw Empire. Let me show you the proof. You can see here I had 308 sent to them, now 307, now 306. So by the time I will send all these messages, I should have gotten about 10 people who would have actually opted out from my list. So what I'll do is just that I will get people more into my list again, and then I begin to promote to them. Now this is my Nigerian audience list subscribers. I didn't promote the offer to them. No, I don't promote this kind of offer to them. There are certain offers I promote to this list, but to my international audience, you can see this is what I promote to them, and this is just about 308 subscribers on this list. So that's just exactly what I did. Now the thing that got me this conversion, which is very intense, very important, I actually mentioned that where I got this conversion was that I added bonuses. Yes, I included bonuses to my promotion, because I promised them I'm going to give them bonuses, and the kind of bonuses I actually selected were bonuses that were, that will complement the kind of offer that I want them to pick up. So this was about a puzzle and about printables, that is, they can actually sell it online and people can buy it and print it and then use it offline. So that's exactly what this offer was all about. So I look for bonuses relating to this. If you are if you pick up my affiliate marketing course, or you're a member of my Overnight Pro Marketer premium class, premium course, you can log into the members area. You will find new places where you can find bonuses, where you can pick up bonuses. I've included that inside the members area for Overnight Pro Marketer. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing or email marketing, you want to learn it from scratch, there's a link under this video to go and access my training. My training is very top notch. In just 10 days, just give me 10 days and I'm going to turn you to become a pro affiliate marketer. Yes, you're going to learn how to write copies, how to promote products, and how to actually earn affiliate commission. So that's what I'm going to learn inside that. There's a link under this video. Just go ahead and then get access to that training. You're going to love it. So continue now. These are my bonuses. The first bonus, I said I'm going to give them how to sell printables on Etsy, because this course was showing them how to sell jigsaw as well on Etsy. And then I included viral motivation minis, motivation mini posters. They love all these kind of things, or people love this kind of things. And then number 3, I included a print on demand profits playbook, that is a complete a complete playbook system that gives them everything they need to take advantage in a highly lucrative market. I just look for bonuses relating to what complements this offer that went live. So that was exactly what I did. So when I packed these bonuses, I included it inside. I included the link inside my my affiliates link, which is right there. This is how to include your bonuses. Just generate the link and then you click on your link. This is my affiliate link, and then if I click right here, right here, then I will have an option to include my bonuses right on this page. So anybody that buys, you can see this is the link to my affiliate affiliates offer. So anyone that purchases Jigsaw Empire from my link without contacting me to access the bonuses I've added for the offer. So that's exactly what I did. I don't think I've missed anything else. I've said everything. Or I scheduled my emails, I rewrote my own email swipes, and then I scheduled everything to go, and then I looked for good bonuses. The bonuses is the main point, is the main thing that actually converted for me. And then I began to get commissions like this. And remember, this is just 2 emails that have gone out, and I've actually scheduled it for the next 3 days. So it's going to end on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. It's going to end on Thursday. I have 6 more emails to go out, and I hope, I'm just hoping it's going to convert and then get me more sales. I think in the next 3 or 4 hours, the next message is going to come out. I think around 3 p.m. or so. So maybe at the end of the whole promotion, I'm going to share with you guys again the final results, how many sales I was able to generate. I think this is about 8 sales, 2, 4, 6, 8 sales, and about $98 already. You can see. So it's very cool promoting affiliate products, and it's very easy. All you need to do is get the right list, build a very profitable list that can make you money over and over and over and again. And as I'm building the list, some people will opt out from your list. When they opt out, you also go ahead and add more and build more inside your list. So if you're a member of my Facebook group, please, there's a link under this video to join my Facebook group, Online Monthly Income with John Anavi. Inside that group, there is a powerful video I'm going to be sharing this evening. So just go there. It's going to be about the marketing legend Matt Bakak. Yes, about how he makes millions online just sending out emails. Please, if you're an email marketer, you want to make money from affiliate marketing, you need to watch that video. It's free. It's 100% free. The guy won the legend, I don't know what's the name again, the legend of the year, as the legend marketer of the year, and he actually spoke a lot and shared a lot of things if you actually want to make your business grow online as an affiliate marketer or as an email marketer. So make sure you're inside that group. There's a link under this video. join the Facebook group, and then you get access to that stuff. It's free, you're not paying for anything. And then make sure you check on my affiliate marketing training, my email marketing course, Overnight Pro Marketer. The link is under this video. Get the course. You're going to love it. You will learn everything I'm actually doing to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you are new to my channel, lest I forget, please subscribe to my channel so you get awesome videos like this. It's going to help you in your online journey and any other thing you need. And if you have any question for me, you can ask, or you need any help or any support, you can leave a comment here or join my Facebook group and ask, or you can even message me on Facebook and then ask. I'm going to get in touch with you as soon as possible, as soon as I see it. So that's all for now. I just need to do two things for me. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and then like the video, turn on the notification bell, and then leave your comments and join the Facebook group. So I think that's all for now. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. Enjoy the rest.